Welcome to Knott's Berry Farm Boysenberry Festival. Today we'll be going through the park and trying all the different boysenberry foods, as well as seeing the new merchandise. Come along! Stop number 1 of the day is here at Silver Bullet Booth. Here is where we will buy our tasting cards that will help us go throughout the park and find our different foods. Our first item of the day is a boysenberry infused beef chili over mac and cheese with chili cheese corn chips. This item is very hefty, so it's probably going to take 2 or more people to finish. Our second stop of the day is at Gold Trails Hotel. This is located inside the park and is full of different types of Boysenberry Fest merchandise. As you guys are looking, comment down below your favorite pieces of Boysenberry Fest merchandise. My third stop of the day is at Wilderness Dogs and Drinks booth.
Boysenberry sausage and the beef video, and then the beef video fries, and the beef video sliders, and then the stuffed boysen, the cookie, then the stuffed boysenberry pie cookie.
So we got 3 items from the booth, the first being the beef birria sliders with boysenberry consomme. And then our second item, we got the beef birria loaded fries with boysenberry crema. And our third item that we got from the booth is the boysenberry sausage on hoagie topped with boysenberry sauerkraut slaw. Here we are at our fourth stop of the day, at Wilderness Dance Hall. Wilderness Dance Hall has many different food offerings as well as drink offerings that you can explore.
Hello. For the grits?
Here at the Wilderness Dance Hall, we got the creamy boysenberry grits with Cajun shrimp. Here we are at Miner's Mac and Spud booth, our 5th stop on this journey, and here we are to grab some refreshment.
I do the mango berry smoothie.
We decided to go ahead and get the mango berry smoothie, which is a combination of both mango and boysenberry. Now we are at our 6th stop at Ghost Town Grub. As you can see, the line looks a little long, but they got 2 separate windows, one for tasting cards and one for normal orders, so we got it relatively fast. So we got the chocolate dip boysenberry buñuelo with boysenberry ice cream and powdered sugar. This was honestly really refreshing because it was a really hot day. And our last stop of the day is at Ghost Town Bakery, which is very well known for its baking goods. So the first thing we got there is the boysenberry lavender lemonade, which was quite refreshing, honestly. The second item we got from the bakery is a rhubarb bar with boysenberry drizzle. The third item we got was the boysenberry cinnamon roll, which is very sweet. Fourth thing we got was a salted caramel brownie with whipped topping and boysenberry jam, which was just a great combination of all those flavors. And the fourth thing we got was the boysenberry chocolate chip loaf, which was phenomenal. Last but not least, we got the stuffed boysenberry pie cookie. We hope you enjoyed this video and we hope to see you there next year.